right. Hello, everybody from Orlando. We're here with Rashesh Mody. Welcome, Rashesh. It's good to see you again.
Great seeing you. Thank you.
All right. So maybe talk a little about, you had a presentation today on AI, hot topic, but maybe can you share some insights on how organization could showcase tangible impacts of the digital initiatives on business outcomes?
Sure. Very good question. We had a very good panel today. All of my peers were there, and Colin set up a nice panel. And his topic was all about industrial AI. Mm-hmm. And that's my main focus was, because if you look at it, what are the key trends going on? You got digital transformation, digital twin, industry knowledge, and lots of different improvement efficiency in everywhere. I think AI plays a very big role in every aspect of our digital transformation. If I'm an operator, I can help through AI. If I'm in management, it can help me through AI, and so on and so forth. So I think the key topic was about how do you give tangible benefits, right? So I'll give you an example. If I build a model correctly and train correctly, but now it works on my data. I don't want everybody public's data. I want to really work on my data. So you go to a system which gives you almost like decision support system. Give me intelligence, right? If somebody expert who is sitting next to me with 25 years experience, it'd be great to have next person. This is what AI can really help me. So it can give you and say, okay, last week's performance wasn't as good as 3 months back. Now next question will be why? It just write down why. It should be able to compile all this data, look at all the stuff, and come back and say, oh, these 5 turbines having problems. And then you can ask more questions. What is the issue? Oh, because their temperature was high or weather was bad, so and so forth. So AI can really help you improving your operations significantly. I mean, it's very pervasive. It's a really force multiplier in operations, in performance, in management decision making, everywhere.
Right. Now, you talk to a lot of people, a lot of customers, and certainly they see AI and they may come back and say, I want AI. But what does the conversation go like? What are they trying to solve when you talk to them? And maybe we'll pick just focusing on process industry, because that's what most of this event is here.
Very good. I think that's everybody, they get very much impressed by the areas, a new invention. But I think ultimately they really want to connect, how does it help them, right? So if you look at it, the way we are looking at it from a viewer perspective, we want to infuse AI into products. So if I'm using an existing product and it has got a new feature built in AI, then my acceptance criteria become much easier. I'm not buying a new product. It just has got all connected with the new features function to give you more the intellectual, right, abilities. Second would be, we call it integrate. Can I integrate existing product and services and solution with AI? Gives me more value. And third one is all about digital intellect. How do I create a model of engineering data, operations data, maintenance data, maybe financial data, and all your time series data? Give me a semantic model which really connects all these pieces. Because with human mind, I can maybe remember yesterday's data, day before, but I cannot remember last 3 months, 3 years data. This is where AI can help. So from users' perspective, they really wanted to, not how it works. That's maybe some minority who is interested. Majority of interested in how does it help my do job better? Can I improve my skills? Can I improve my training? Can I get up to speed the new person faster? Can I make right decision? Give me guidance. I think those are the questions coming up, and AI just happens to be a great enabler.
And this is a tough one to also internally, if I'm a customer, right, trying to sell this or buy this product or solution from Aveva, how do I justify it? What are the tangible benefits? Because there's a lot of promises, but okay, do you have sort of a use cases that has, hey, this customer saved X amount because they leveraged or they went on this direction?
So I'll use just some examples, right? That will give you. We've been doing AI for more than 15 years, actually. It was originally started from predictive analytics. Mm-hmm. Then it became performance analytics, then become prescriptive analytics, and so on and so forth. And I think if you look at that particular part of AI, some of the companies have saved, you're talking about more than 10 millions, 20 millions per incident saving, right? If you avoid a big turbine failure, It's a huge incident. That's all done by AI, right? Then if I give you another example of giving me advice to do things better. For example, system integrators. How long does it take to create a 5-node system? Let's say it takes 3 months. Eventually, I think AI will be able to say, build me a system for 5-node SCADA system. Can be done in weeks, 80% done, and then 20% guy need to tune up properly and so on and so forth. So that's a huge benefit, right? And that benefit goes to eventually customer. How fast I can deploy it, I can become the whole decision process and so forth. So I think there are benefits. Are certain cases who've been using it for years, they can see millions and ROIs. We have, I think I published 3 studies today. One was BP, one was Hyundai, another one was Petronas. All of them are sharing dollars and cents in terms of ROI. I mean, you can see in millions of dollars and millions of multiplier. So I think the AI has been around for a long time, but I think with this new use cases, you're going to see more and more benefits actually.
Thank you for sharing those insights and reference to the customers, and we'll have links for that. I guess I'll wrap up with just maybe a question around digital transformation. I mean, perhaps the strategies they're pivotal for embedding sustainability in the core business operations.
You know, the sustainability is actually very important. In fact, my today's discussion was all about how do you use all the world resources very sustainable way. That's how AI application should be, right? I mean, the performance improvement, skill management improvement, hydrogen side, the carbon capture side, all of those applications now can be simulated in digital transformation, digital twin, and ultimately it saves a lot of the sustainable resources. So I think a fundamental line is objective is to have our customers can do responsible way to sustain the resources. And that's where we are doing all our software and all our application toward that goal.
Rashesh, thank you for sharing your insights. And if you're in the audience, have questions for Rashesh or folks on his team, feel free to leverage the hashtag, and we'll sync up with Rashesh again later this year in Hanover.
Great. We'll see you there, and thank you for inviting this today. Very good.